you tie your beard in a beard knot, you will stop losing beard hairs. Not true. I apologize, guys. Horrendous joke and bad way to start the video, but I don't know what I was thinking. Listen, I feel like around this time every year, I need to make one of these videos just strictly based on the amount of you guys reaching out to me about beard hairs falling out, shedding beard hairs, or anything involving losing your beard. And this comes from obviously people who are new to growing and caring for a beard this time of year, but also those of you who have been at this, or you have a long beard and you're caring for the first time, and you're just noticing more and more beard hairs falling out, and you're like, what's going on? I got you. I want to hit kind of all angles on this beard shedding topic, but first, real quick, if this is the content you came for, if this is the free content that you appreciate for over 7.5 years now, take a split second and hit that thumbs up. It's absolutely free, and if you're not subscribed, come on now. I would greatly appreciate it. Check out that subscribe button. Shout out to those returning subscribers. To begin, everybody loses beard hairs every single day. If you have a beard, there's not a day that goes by where you're not shedding some amount of hair. It's the same for your arm hair. It's the same for your taco meat, aka your chest hair, your back hair, any hair you're going to be shedding. That is natural. That is the hair growth cycle and process that it needs to go through. Now, there are some bad ways to increase that shedding. Now, there are some bad ways when hairs fall out and it's not natural shedding, and we'll touch on that. So how can you know if it's natural shedding? Pick up the hair that fell out, and on one of the two sides of the hair, you're gonna have a bulb. Essentially, if you take that strand of hair and you run your fingers, there's gonna be like a little ball at the end, a little waxy moment, you might say. And that is going to be the indication of healthy shedding if that bulb is white. I don't care if your beard is brown, black, red, white, silver. If that bulb is white, it's natural, normal shedding. Now, if that bulb is dark, whether again, you have a white beard, you can still have a dark bulb. Whether you have a black beard and it's a black bulb, that means that that shedding was premature. It came out too early. Almost always that is from over-aggressive grooming. You're going too fast or going too hard with the comb, with the broom, with your hand, the brush, with your hand, whatever you're using on your beard in that moment, that is going to be something you need to stop being so manly. All right, man, we just power through our beards. We do everything easy. Enjoy it. It releases oxytocin, which is that happy chemical when you comb and brush your beard. Take it all in, baby. Now, if you find the hair and there's no bulb, nothing on either side, almost as if it was cut, that is breakage. That is not good. That is not natural. Something is happening to those hairs that's causing them to break. It could be, again, over-aggressive grooming to the max. It could be your beard is rubbing on a collar or a zipper or something with your work, or you're picking at it, you're twisting at it. There's all sorts of things that could be causing that breakage, but that is bad. So if you have the breakage, find the cause and cut it out. Don't physically cut the hair out, but you know what I mean. If you have premature shedding, what's going on there? It likely can be dehydration. You're not being hydrated enough or properly balancing your electrolytes. Or likely the most common cause of premature shedding in almost all aspects of unhealthy beards is increased stress. If you have more stress because it's the holidays or you're trying to round up money, that's going to harm the beard. If it's more stress because of your job, because of your relationship, because of your kids being inside more as it gets cooler out, that's going to harm the beard. Now, it could all be with more natural shedding, 100% normal, not much you can do about it because of seasonal change. That's for those of you that have had a beard for years, that have cared for it, and you're like, Dan, I've been doing so good. Why am I losing way more hair now? It's getting cooler where most of you are watching this from right now. Whether you're in the South and it's cooling off a little bit, or you're in the North in Michigan, it snowed last night. That is going to increase your natural shedding. What can you do? Don't worry about it. Ride the wave, baby. Enjoy the process. Maybe drink a little bit more water. Maybe use a little bit more of your beard oil. Go a little bit easier on the grooming side of things, but just know it happens. And that really is the biggest message from this video. It is normal to lose beard hair. If anyone tells you, including the guys in the comments, that they do not shed beard hairs, they're just unbelievably unaware of their surroundings. They might not when they comb, but what about in the shower? What about when they get ready? What about in the bed? What about in the sink? What about on the shower wall that they didn't see but the wife saw? You are shedding beard hairs, and that's okay. I know if you start getting into the numbers, but Dan, I'm shedding like 35 hairs a day. If you multiply that by 365 days, I only have this. When you shed a beard hair, there's a new one growing in already. The process keeps going. You have different hair lengths all throughout your beard at the different stages of growth. It's meant to be that way, and it is okay, you guys. Seasons of life, just like we have seasons of beard. Keep that in mind. Down below, I don't want to ramble on anymore. Questions about shedding, premature shedding, breakage, seasonal change, stress, anything, you guys. I would like to help out. But if anything, I hope this video just calmed some of you down and you know that it's natural. Thank you for watching today. My name's Dancy Bearded. I will get back to every single comment. Please stay bearded and stay positive.